welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anneke. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens, if you are an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning back to your girl's channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my small part of the YouTube universe. And if you do enjoy the content on this channel, baby, we hope you consider subscribing and joining the familia. Okay, so if you guys saw the title of this video, little baby, we doing our cash check-in for the week, and we gonna be doing a little giveaway situation. You feel me? I'm feeling y'all. Let me tell y'all, your girl went to bed on a Friday night, woke up on a Saturday morning. A giveaway was on a Sunday. Okay, listen. Make shit shake was the move for this weekend, apparently. Okay, point blank period. But we ain't gonna take long with this little check-in situation because we really here for the giveaway. So let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so welcome back, y'all. As you can see, we are on our weekly check-in, and this one is for the 2nd through the 8th of January. This is our first week. So what your girl did with her money, right? With her coins, how she spent it. Well, I bought food, had to eat, and that came up to a total of $50. We likes that. And also, if you are new here, I don't like change in my little budgeting situation, so I always just move the coinage to savings automatically when I deposit money to pay off my credit card. Because yes, the girl's on a budget, but listen, these credit cards been finessing us all our life until we learn how to budget. So I'm gonna finesse them back, and I'm gonna get these little points while she budgets. Okay, get into it. But moving on. Miscellaneous, I bought me some cards for $3 for a little video, my stimulus video coming out soon. Allowance, I bought me a little Ensure because I like it, $11. Then your girl had to pay some bills, these insurance, they coming for me, $19 total, okay? Then we gonna move on, go down a little bit. Then next we have allowance again. I bought me some Subway. We had like a group luncheon at work. That was $7 total. Allowance, listen, Tiba's always on here every week, okay? So say, look, I stays on this, okay? I'm a part of the family, okay? Once I joined, I was never leaving, okay? Call me an in-law, okay? I'm here forever. So, Tiba's $21. Then my Apple Music phone bill situation, happened, $15. Then, y'all, one of my besties at work is leaving. She's leaving. So we had a little, going away situation for her, and that came up to $21 total. And then my giveaway from last year, I shipped the item, and that came up to $9, y'all. So moving on to the rest of them. So let's just do the rest of them, that's fine. So after the giveaway situation, your girl bought some top coat for her nails because you know what? I said, okay, that would be cute, right? So that came up to $16. Stella Rose, okay, she got bought. Listen, if you have not seen, wait, hold on. Y'all haven't seen it yet. Listen, y'all gonna see the little stimulus check and how it like broken down and how Stella Rose said, listen, I'm coming for y'all next, okay? And so, ma'am, Stella Rose got some coinage, and we spent $60 on wine, y'all. Listen, okay, listen. This is probably my favorite part of spending my money, okay? Stella Rose. Next, we bought some baby oil because, listen, my friend introduced me to this. Listen, baby oil and the body, fire, okay? You put the body and baby oil, fire. Get into it if you haven't already. That came up to a total of $4 from toiletries. Your girl had to eat again. It's a new week, okay? It's the end of the week, but it's a new week, the final week, and she got to eat. And so I spent $66 on food. Then in upcoming bills, I paid all the things that I needed to. I needed somewhere to live, I needed heat, and I needed to pay for hot water. And that's all that happened right here. Rent, gas, and electricity. So that came up to a total of $15.18 with my little currency conversion situation, okay? Because baby, listen, okay, US dollar right now is trash in currency conversion. So $15.18 is what I paid, but your girl budgeted $15.45, so we still good, okay? Period. Then upcoming bills. This If you do not know, I pay my family's phone bill in America, and then they just pay me back once I give them money for tithing, and boom, bada bing, we good. That's $140, boom. And then last but not least, so I use filtered water. I get filtered jug, like a 5-gallon filtered jug, and I have to pay to, you know, get the some more water to drink. So that's what I did right here. That came up to $10, and that was basically how we spent our money. Listen, for the week. Listen, we not trying to be here all day. We ain't got no time. Okay, point blank, period. Okay, this is our weekly check-in. So for my amount that I spent for the week, that was a total of, do y'all want a drum roll or not? Give you a drum roll. That was a total of $296.81. Now y'all hear me say I don't like these coinage, but I love these savings though. Okay, get into it. And so my savings total was the amount of $5.19. So if you add those two together, total for the y'all, I lied. Hold on, I lied. Where's my calculator? Hold on, I lied. I ain't even added my rent and all that good jazz. Girl, who raised you? Hold on, y'all. $296.81. This is when you pre-do stuff and then you act like you know stuff, and then your budget be coming for you and checking you like, no ma'am. $10, okay? $196, 1964.81. My bad, y'all. Hold up. Yes, y'all. See, my budget be checking me on camera. See, ooh, be checking me on camera. Like, we supposed to keep this in-house and look at it, okay? Telling all my secrets to the neighbors, but that's okay. So total for this week, you know, paying rent and all that good jazz, $1,964.81. We put $5.19 towards saving. So if we plus this $5.19, our total for the week is $1,970 that we spent out of our budget so far. And we cute, we good with that. So down here, I have me some categories. Total for the week, which will be this amount, will be $1,970. Cash payments, which is everything that is in green, will be $1,580, $140, and $10 will be $1,668, and that just means that I've already paid for these in cash. They're not on my credit card, but everything else that is in black is what's on my credit card. So credit card purchases is $296.81. There we go. And then my savings amount will be this $5.19. So if you add up this cash payment, which is $1,668, plus the CC purchases is $296.81, plus this $519, $19.17, which is what we got for the week. Now, the CC payment, which is $296.81, plus the savings, which is $519, comes up to a total of $302. This is the amount of money I need to have on hand to put in my banks to pay off my card, and also put this $5.19 towards saving. So we gonna get out little baby real quick. We gonna get her out. Okay, let's see. So I have a cash envelope specified for my weekly check-in, which is called This Week's Check-In. Boom. You know, who came up with this brilliant name? The sarcasm. But nah, This Week's Check-In. So what I do, I put all of these, I get my money out of the bank in cash, and I also have CC payments I can transfer, so I know that I need to pay off my credit card with this money. But I take my money out of the bank, I cash stuff it, and then from cash stuffing it, then I, you know, take the money out of the cash envelope and put them in this cash envelope, so I know that this is going towards paying off my credit card, because we ain't bringing no balance, baby. They ain't getting no more interest out of me, okay? Since I hit 24, that's it. That's a lie. Since I hit 25. Since I hit 20. No, since I hit 20. Since I hit 24, that was it. They ain't getting no more interest out of me. So, I had to check back when the last time I paid interest, y'all. So, this amount should be $302. Listen, okay? If this is $302, we are good to go. We took out all the monies we were supposed to. If not, then little baby, we got an issue. She ain't got no time, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna count it. If it's $302, then we're G2G. We'll update this card for CC payment. We'll add the money in here. And then this now will be available for a new week. So let's count up real quick. Okay. So this is 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200. Let's move this over. So that's 200. Then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So this is 260. Let me move these over a little bit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was 260. So this is 270. Let's put that there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 270. So this is 280. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is, what did I say? 280, 290, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is $300 and then 2. Boom, bada bang. Listen, okay? Listen. 302, okay? Because baby, nothing I hate more than not having my coins together to pay off this credit card. Because listen, if y'all think like cash living is hard, try doing credit card living. Because nah, we been there, done that. Psych, we good. We good. We good. Okay, since we started budgeting, we good. But now guys, so what I'm gonna do, update my credit card payment card. So I am, what day is today? Today is the 11th for me. And so we're gonna put that we have cash envelopes. Cash envelopes will have a total of $296.81. $296.81. And the reason I do this is so that if I ever go to the bank and I need to know, hey, how much goes to my credit card versus how much goes to my savings account, this helps me really quickly figure it out, you know, because baby, ain't nobody got no time to be remembering all this, okay? That's why we gotta write it down. So this is $302. That was the final thing I put after I put my savings amount of $5.19, 302. Then let's put this in here. There's a whole bunch of ones in here that might, you know, okay. Oh, there we go. See, okay. See, we getting better. You see, we getting better. You know, they knew we had visitors today, so we doing better. So this, guys, is my weekly cash check-in. That was a little quick because your girl went through, calculated everything because she ain't got no time to be playing no games with y'all. What we about to do is get into this giveaway. Okay, let's go. Okay, y'all, so welcome to the giveaway portion of the video. Like, listen, okay, like I said, I went to bed on Friday, woke up on Saturday, we made a giveaway, and then it's a Sunday, it was the announcement. Listen, get into it, okay? But guys, this is a giveaway to bless somebody, because baby, okay, the way how 2020 took us, okay, 2021 about to be a whole different mood, okay? Get into your budget, right? Get into your bag, get it together. So here are the rules. you have to subscribe to all the ladies in order to be entered into the giveaway, and it has to be public. Listen, okay? If it ain't public, don't come for me. I'm trying to help you, okay? I'm trying to get you these coins, okay? Make sure you subscribe and make sure your subscriptions are public, okay? Get us into it, sis. Get us together, all right? Next, you have to like all the videos. So this is my giveaway video. If the ladies have already posted their giveaway video, I will be linking that specific video down in the description box. Like, check them out, get it together, point blank, snap on it, sis. Go and like all the videos. Now, the most important portion to be entered into this giveaway is to comment down below. Well, not down below. Comment under Cassie J's video, hey, 2021 New Year's budget goals, okay? You have to comment 2021 New Year's budget goal in order to be entered into the $400 giveaway. And then also, guys, you have to have Cash App, PayPal, or Zelle, okay? So this giveaway is running from Sunday the 10th through the 22nd, and the winner will be announced on the 24th, okay? Grand prize winner is getting $200, okay? Second place winner is getting $150, okay? Third place is getting $50, and that is the $400 giveaway. But there's 25 over here. Sis, yes. For my personal channel, oh Lord, I can't talk. But for my personal channel, we're giving away an additional $25 to somebody, okay? If you enter into the big giveaway, you could win $50 or $150 or $200. Now, from my channel, you can win $25, and all you have to do, guys, is do what you've already done. Subscribe to the channel, and then leave down below, hey, enter me. That's it, period. We ain't gonna do much, enter me. So, 2 different giveaway, however, comma, the main one to get the big prize, you have to go to Cassie J Budgets and comment 2021 New Year's budget goals, okay? Because baby, if somebody was giving me $400, good. Listen, you ain't gotta tell me twice, 3 times, or 4. I'm there. What you need me for, okay? Call me Uber, call me DoorDash, call me, you know, whatever you need me. Call me a cab. Whipping, we there, okay? Period. So guys, that is the giveaway announcement and how to enter. Listen, okay? Get into it. Make sure you go enter, cause baby, if I wasn't a part of the giveaway to give away, I'll be in the giveaway for you to give this away, because you ain't gonna pass me by. Nope. The Lord ain't gonna pass me by, and so is this cash. None of them, okay? So if you guys wanna be, you know, entered into, make sure you follow the rules. They'll also be in the description box, and make sure you subscribe to everyone, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Listen, I hope you win, okay? Good luck to everyone. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Share it with a family, a friend, or a foe. And guys, thank you so much for watching another one, okay? Again, my name is Aneke, Annakay. All right, peace out. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.